for all things home renovation and stylish living. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever walked into a home where the inside and outside feel like one beautiful, continuous space, where you can entertain, relax, and enjoy nature without ever truly leaving the comfort of your home? That, my friends, is the magic of an indoor-outdoor living space, and it's one of the most sought-after design trends today. It's about creating a seamless connection that blurs the lines between your interior and your exterior. Today, we're diving deep into this incredible concept, exploring its meaning, benefits, and how you can achieve this look yourself. And to spark your imagination, we'll be showcasing 10 of the most breathtaking indoor-outdoor living spaces we've ever seen. Let's get started. So, what exactly is an indoor-outdoor living space? At its core, it's a design philosophy that focuses on creating a harmonious flow between your home's interior and its outdoor areas. It's more than just putting a chair on your patio. It's a deliberate design choice that uses features like large sliding glass doors, folding walls, and consistent flooring to create a unified environment. The goal is to make the outdoor space feel like a natural extension of your home and vice versa. This design not only enhances the visual appeal of your property but also completely changes how you live and interact with your surroundings. It's about embracing natural light, fresh air, and the beauty of your landscape, all from the comfort of your own home. The benefits of this design trend are truly remarkable. First and foremost, it significantly increases your usable living area. By creating a fluid transition, you effectively add square footage to your home, making even a smaller house feel more expansive and open. This is a huge bonus for entertaining as it allows guests to move freely between the inside and outside, creating a more relaxed and social atmosphere. Second, it enhances your well-being. Exposure to natural light and fresh air has been proven to improve mood, reduce stress, and even boost productivity. It's a simple way to bring a little bit of nature's calming energy into your daily life. Lastly, it adds incredible value to your property. Homes with well-designed indoor-outdoor spaces are highly desirable and can command a premium in the real estate market. It's an investment in both your lifestyle and your home's future value. Now let's talk about the fun part: decorating. The key to a successful indoor-outdoor space is consistency. Start by using similar color palettes and materials in both areas. For example, if you have a neutral, earthy tone inside, continue that theme with your outdoor furniture and decor. Another crucial element is your flooring. Using the same or similar flooring materials, like large format porcelain tiles or a durable wood composite that can handle both environments, will visually connect the spaces. Think about lighting as well. Layered lighting with ambient, task, and accent lights both inside and outside creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that extends beyond dusk. Finally, bring the outside in with plants and greenery, and the inside out with comfortable, weather-resistant furniture and stylish accessories like throw pillows and rugs. This symmetry is what makes the whole design feel cohesive and intentional. What are the essential items you need to make this a reality? Here are a few must-haves. First, large, retractable glass doors. The most critical element for a seamless transition. Options like bifold, sliding, or pocket doors are perfect for opening up the space. Second, weather-resistant furniture. Choose materials like teak, aluminum, or high-quality synthetics that can withstand the elements without sacrificing style. Third, outdoor kitchen or barbecue area. Elevate your outdoor entertaining with a dedicated space for grilling and food prep. Fourth, durable, consistent flooring. Opt for materials that can be used both indoors and outdoors to create a continuous flow. Fifth, outdoor rugs and textiles. Define your outdoor living zone and add comfort with a weather-resistant rug and stylish pillows. Sixth, fire pit or outdoor fireplace. A perfect focal point for social gatherings and for extending the use of your space into cooler evenings. Seventh, accent lighting. Think string lights, solar-powered path lights, or wall sconces to create a magical ambience at night. Now for the main event. Let's get some inspiration from these stunning examples. Hear these: the compilation of the top 15 best indoor-outdoor living space design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Desert chic. The ultimate entertainer's paradise. A stunning example of how to make an outdoor space feel like an extension of the indoors, even in a different climate. The massive sliding glass doors open up to a covered patio with an outdoor kitchen, bar, and lounge area. The consistent flooring and high ceilings with multiple fans ensure comfort, while the modern decor and large bar top create a social hub. This design is perfect for those who love to host and want to bring the party outside without sacrificing any of the comforts of home. 2. The Garden Sanctuary, blending nature and home. This design beautifully integrates the lush, green surroundings into the home's living space. The large glass doors open to a patio with a comfortable seating area and a built-in outdoor kitchen. The natural tone tiles and a striking live-edge coffee table made from a tree stump reinforce the connection to nature. The overhanging tree branches provide natural shade and a sense of enclosure, making this feel like a truly private and peaceful sanctuary. 3. Architectural marvel, the floating deck and glass house. An architectural masterpiece, this home uses a simple yet dramatic combination of wood, glass, and concrete to create a stunning indoor-outdoor experience. The expansive glass walls on the lower level slide open to a beautiful wooden deck that appears to float over the lawn. The seamless transition from the interior living space to the deck and outdoor fireplace creates multiple zones for relaxation and socializing, all while enjoying breathtaking views of the natural surroundings. 4. Cozy and contemporary, a fireside escape. This design proves that an indoor-outdoor space can be intimate and cozy, even on a smaller scale. The series of bifold doors allows the bedroom and living area to open directly onto a compact yet well-designed patio. The concrete fire pit acts as a central gathering point, perfect for cool evenings. The simplicity of the design and the strategic use of lighting create a serene and inviting atmosphere that feels like a private resort. 5. The modern Zen garden, serene and sophisticated. A beautiful layered design that creates multiple outdoor living zones. A large covered dining area sits next to a lounge space, all overlooking a lush green landscape and a pool. The clean lines of the wooden furniture and the minimal decor give it a tranquil Zen-like quality. The glass railing provides safety without obstructing the view, allowing the space to feel completely open and connected to the surrounding nature. 6. Rustic elegance, the A-frame retreat. This home perfectly marries rustic charm with modern functionality. The striking A-frame design with its vaulted wood ceiling and floor-to-ceiling glass doors creates a sense of grandeur while inviting the outdoors in. The covered patio with its large dining table and lounge area is an ideal space for entertaining, protected from the elements. The black accents on the doors and furniture add a touch of modern sophistication to the warm, natural materials. 7. The urban oasis, modern and minimalist. This striking design proves you don't need a sprawling backyard to achieve an incredible indoor-outdoor flow. The home features multiple large black-framed sliding glass doors that completely open up to a beautifully manicured minimalist patio. The use of clean lines, a monochromatic color scheme, and simple yet elegant landscaping creates a sleek and sophisticated urban oasis. The consistent floor level and integrated planters on the patio further blur the lines, making the entire ground floor feel like one grand, interconnected space. 8. The waterfront haven, expansive views. This home takes indoor-outdoor living to a whole new level with breathtaking water views. The wide, folding glass doors open up the entire kitchen and dining area to a sprawling deck overlooking the ocean. The white, clean palette inside reflects the bright, sunny exterior, creating a seamless and airy environment. The lack of a visible barrier makes the deck feel like a natural extension of the living space, bringing the incredible view right into the heart of the home. 9. Tropical modernism, a luxurious retreat. This design is the epitome of luxurious indoor-outdoor living, seamlessly integrating a living area with a reflective water feature. The expansive open-plan design is anchored by a stunning floating fireplace on one side and a lush tropical landscape on the other. The rich wood and dark metal accents create a sophisticated yet natural feel, while the large screen and covered dining area make this a perfect spot for both relaxation and grand-scale entertaining. The design is a masterclass in creating distinct zones that still feel connected. 10. Coastal boho, bright and breezy. A beautiful example of blending indoor and outdoor spaces with a relaxed coastal aesthetic. The white walls, light wood flooring, and natural fiber furniture inside are perfectly complemented by the open sliding glass door leading to a covered patio. The outdoor dining set, woven stools, and lush greenery create a continuous, breezy feel. This design proves that a stunning indoor-outdoor space doesn't have to be ultra-modern. It can be cozy, inviting, and full of character. 11. The classic connector, blending old and new. This design perfectly bridges a traditional brick home with a modern, open-plan extension. The bifold glass doors fully retract, creating a wide opening that links the sleek, modern kitchen and dining area with a multifunctional patio. The outdoor space is a dream for entertaining, featuring a built-in barbecue and an inviting fire pit area with rustic chic seating. The consistent light-colored tiles inside and out create a flawless transition, proving that you can beautifully blend historical architecture with contemporary living. 12. The Minimalist's Dream, a serene courtyard. A masterclass in minimalist design, this space uses clean lines and a simple color palette to focus on the lush, green courtyard beyond. A wide, sliding glass door completely disappears into the wall, revealing a private, tranquil garden. The use of a raised wooden deck outside and polished concrete indoors clearly defines the separate zones while still maintaining a seamless connection. The simplicity of the furniture and the natural textures create a calming atmosphere, making this a perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. 13. Rustic Lodge Luxury, fireside mountain living. This stunning mountain retreat is designed to embrace its natural surroundings. The expansive glass doors open to a spacious, multi-level deck featuring multiple seating areas. The star of the show is the built-in fire table, perfect for gathering with friends and family on a cool evening. The use of natural materials like wood and stone, along with warm lighting, gives the space a cozy, lodge-like feel. This design proves that indoor-outdoor living is just as incredible in a mountain setting as it is at the beach. 14. Forest Getaway, the ultimate retreat. This design is all about bringing the beauty of the forest right to your doorstep. The home's entire wall can be opened with large folding glass doors, leading to a covered patio. The warm wood ceiling extends from the interior, creating a sense of continuity. The outdoor space is designed for pure relaxation, featuring a comfortable seating area around a modern fire pit, with string lights creating a magical ambience. The glass railings on the deck ensure that the breathtaking view of the surrounding trees remains unobstructed. 15. Cozy Cottage Charm, a garden oasis. This design shows that indoor-outdoor living can be both elegant and inviting. The classic French doors open from a bright, white kitchen to a charming covered patio. The wood flooring continues from the inside out, making the transition feel natural and effortless. The outdoor seating area is centered around a beautiful brick fireplace, creating a cozy and intimate space perfect for unwinding. The lush greenery surrounding the patio provides privacy and a feeling of a true garden oasis. So there you have it, our top 15 list of inspiring indoor-outdoor living spaces. As you can see, this trend is about more than just aesthetics. It's about embracing a lifestyle that connects you with nature, enhances your well-being, and makes your home a more functional and beautiful place to live. We hope this video gave you some incredible ideas for your next home project. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video from us. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!